In today's video, I'll show you how to git clone a repository from Bitbucket. First, open your browser and go to the official Bitbucket website, then log in to your account. On the home page, select the repository you want to clone and click the clone button at the top right. Copy the clone command in either SSH or HTTPS format. If you choose SSH, make sure your public key is added to Bitbucket and loaded on your local system. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where you want to store the repository. Paste the command you copied from Bitbucket and run it. Clone over HTTPS. Git Credential Manager may prompt you to log in to Bitbucket and authorize the connection. Clone over SSH. If successful, a new folder appears in your chosen directory named after the repository. This folder contains all files and Git metadata needed to track changes. You can also clone repositories using tools like SourceTree or VS Code. For detailed instructions, visit Bitbucket's official guide, Clone a Git repository. And that's it! That's how you clone a Bitbucket repository locally.